Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see already in the title, I will be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing and I just can't wait because I haven't opened it yet because I want to film this video and share it to you guys. So anyways, I got the Louis Vuitton Speedy 25. So I got this at the mail yesterday and oh my god. So alright, I ordered this last Wednesday, and I received it on Friday, so it's really quick. Like the shipping was quick because I think it's a complimentary shipping. So anyway, this is the box. It says Louis Vuitton, and oh shit, hold on, so let me just take the box out. Okay, so here it is. Here's the box, and I don't know what this is. It comes with the receipt, and also I believe like if you don't like the bag or if there's damage, like you can return it. So hold on, let me just pull it up. Yeah, it's an exchange and returns paper, just in case if you want to return it. So it will give you information here and also the receipt. Let me just pull this receipt up real quick. Yeah, so anyways, let's unbox this and so I'm just gonna do that. Let's unbox this. Alright, so okay guys, I'm so excited. Oh my god. Alright, so for the dust bag, let me just get the bag out. Set this aside for a minute. Set this right there. So here it is. Ooh, okay, comes with a dust bag. I'm sorry, I'm just so excited, and this is like the classic Louis Vuitton, like Speedy, and also like the Neverpool. That's like their classic. So anyways, that's the dust bag, and oh my god, you guys, look at the bag. It's so cute, and it comes with the like the key here. And so here we go. All right, so let me just, oh my god, oh my god. Okay guys, so this is the bag. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna give you guys like a 360. I didn't get the bandolier, like the new one that comes with like a sling. I didn't get that because I wanna get these, because to be honest with you, if I want to get like a sling bag, I would rather do it like smaller size. I was trying to decide if I want to get the Speedy 30 or the like larger than the 25, but then I was thinking like I'm the type of person like I don't really carry a lot of stuff if I go out or like run errands. So this bag is actually just perfect for me and my size, because I'm not a big girl. I'm 5 foot 1 inch, so I feel like this is this is a great bag for me. And I've seen a lot of reviews before I even purchased this. So anyways, this is the bag look like, and then the handle, this is the handle look like right there. It's like a touch of like red in the handles there, and then the stitching is like yellow, like light yellow, like the stitching. So on the other side, same the other side. And then this is like the key if you want to like put like lock your bag. And then so here supposed to be like the key. I don't know why they put it in my bag already, but anyways, you can put your keys here, and it's just like this little papers. Okay, so this is the lock, not the key. I keep saying key. This is the lock, and then this is the key right here. So I get the key. The key is in like gold details, and it has like numbers. It's like 311. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's definitely number there. But it's 311. Let's try to unlock this. Alright, there you go. So I want to show you guys. Right there. It's just pretty much gold, and it says here Louis Vuitton Paris. So let me just put this here back in the little cute dust bag. Okay, so let's see. says Louis Vuitton Paris. I'm trying to say, like, see if is it made in here or made in Italy. I'm trying to look where's that from. And then you guys, if you don't know this, they actually you can see like the number here. It says 25, like you can barely see it, but there's like number right there. It's 25. So anyways, I believe the newer Louis Vuitton Speedy has a zipper now. Right here, there's like a zipper here and like a little pocket. Because before, I like the past bags that they have with the Speedy, they don't have like a zipper. Because I was, you know, I was watching a lot of reviews and a lot of unboxing, and then now I believe they put like finally like a zipper here, which is really good as well. So that's the zipper inside, and the interior is brown there. So probably I'll put my my keys in here, like my key pouch, my wallet. Where is my key pouch? Oh, I got it right here. So my key pouch right here from also Louis Vuitton. If you haven't watched my unboxing, make sure to watch it. So let's see if I can fit the key pouch in here. Maybe not, because my key pouch is way too big. Let's just try. All right, it's not gonna fit, but maybe like, you know, I don't know, some stuff that you can put, like tiny stuff that you can put in here. And that's really good that it comes with like a zipper. So like I said, the interior is brown. You barely see it, but the interior is brown. And where is the code? Okay, they have the code here, right there. The code is right here. Can you guys see? Oh my god, this sucks. Alright, so the code is right there. And yes, oh my goodness, I can't wait to actually put stuff in here and start, you know, using this bag for just like going out on a date or something like that. My husband and I are going out on a date tomorrow. So today is Valentine's Day actually. Happy Valentine's Day to all of you guys. Valentine's Day is just not for a couple. It's all for everybody. Like, you know, greet your mom, greet your dad, greet your family, your sister and friends. Anyways, I can't wait to use this bag tomorrow because we are going out and about tomorrow. So I'm gonna use this bag tomorrow, and hopefully it's not gonna rain, because I'm not gonna use this bag if it's raining, because I don't want to damage my bag. But anyway, this is how they look like, you guys. Just like I said, I'm gonna give you guys like a 360 view right there. I don't know, I'm not like a bag review channel, so I'm just like unboxing it and showing it to you guys, like what I got. Okay, before I forgot to mention, the price of this bag is $1,050 US, plus tax is $63, so I ending up paying $1,113 US. So let's see, and that's on the Speedy 25 bag. I believe if you buy like the Speedy 30 or the Speedy 35 or 40, it's different price. I have no idea what the prices are, but I will leave the link on the description box below if you want to check it out. But yeah, this is, I got the monogram print because it's just like the classic. I like monogram print, and I do have the pochette accessories as well, so I'm kind of just like collect some monogram pieces from Louis Vuitton. But overall, I really like the bag. It's just like a classic monogram bag that you can, you know, go out, you can dress this down, dress it up, like go to the office, you know, if you have work, and then, you know, you're gonna carry a lot of stuff. This will good for you. And then if you're going out with your friends, or just, you know, like a regular day bag. Wow, Louis Vuitton regular day bag. But anyways, this is it, you guys. But anyways, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm trying to rush because I'm running errands today. Anyways, have a great day, you guys, and happy Valentine's Day. I will see you soon on my next one. Bye.